What did we do this week?
I think you were covering the last part of the corridor with wood and nets because we still need to finish the covering. We still need to buy our doors.
Oh yeah, there's this big holes here in
Yep.
the one.
But what you did was quite nice and also cheap because we use the wood that we already have.
Mm-hmm.
And the final result I think is very nice.
And what's next?
I think we plan to close this with a window, with a glass.
Mm-hmm. That would be cool,
And a
no?
small door. And then finally,
Seguro que le doy
to
esta
really
piel.
close all the corridor,
Está
we need
llena de
the
escamas.
doors.
Seguro que le doy esta piel, está llena de escamas.
Then we don't have mosquitoes inside.
Mm-hmm.
And we can enjoy the place.
Oh. And how about these little windows here? When are you going to finish those?
Yeah, very soon.
Está llena de escamas.